they?
Yeah.
I was gonna play it down to 200 and cash out, but man, you got a nice one going. You don't mind I put you on my film, do you? Yeah, I do upload them to YouTube.
I got 2 freaking majors.
Oh, that's awesome. This gal's got 2 majors, 2 minors, 10-cent denom, $10 bet. She is making some money.
Okay? I gotta find my husband.
I'll watch your machine. No problem. Yeah, she just had a hand pay just a little bit ago for $1,400 and some. Are you her husband?
No.
Okay, she went to look for him. She's kicking tail on these machines today. I mean, that's a nice hit with 2 majors and 2 minors. Yeah. She's a lucky gal. That's all I'm playing is a buck. Yeah, she had a hand pay on this one with a $15 bet. Hey, I'm glad you came back, because she's beating the shit out of me, man. Because I gotta go find my husband.
Three majors.
Oh, that's awesome. Wow. I ain't never seen that. She got 3 majors now. 2 minors, 3 majors. That is awesome.
That's more than awesome.
It is.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Yeah, but I got to witness it. I think it's cool.
And then all that's times 10.
Man, you sure did do good. Yeah, you're not done yet.
Zone it.
This gal is kicking tail.
Take a picture.
That is a nice hit. That's awesome.